I love.
Such a dress.
Gawa sa
Naman mo kung ito yung
gawa sa
nilalagyan ng
harina.
Ginawa nilang outfit.
So, it's 10 o'clock in the morning and nandito ako sa basement ng condo. Packing stuff, getting all our luggage and our groceries. Pinagkakasya ko dito sa kotse. And after 2 hours of trip, nandito na kami sa Kabiyang Tunnel. I believe this is the tunnel that connects Cavite and Batangas. Ito siya, ang dami mga riders since it's a Good Friday. Paborito talaga nilang tambayan ito.
Hi, good afternoon,
Good
mga
afternoon, mga kalakwacha!
Today is Good Friday. And dahil Holy Week, syempre, kaugalian ng mga bawat pamilyang Pilipino ang mag-outing.
Yes.
So, andito kami ngayon sa
Pico del Oro! This is like 2.5 hours away from Metro Manila.
Yep.
So, i-waste nyo na lang Pico del Oro, madali siyang hanapin.
Mhm.
And tip lang sa mga babiyahe na may dalang sasakyan, medyo mawawalan kayo ng signal. It's much better if you have dual SIM phones.
Yes.
Gamitin nyo smart, may signal. Globe, mamamatay dito sa area na to papunta. Baka maligaw pa kayo.
Oo.
Anyway, Pico del Oro is like an accommodation, a beachfront property accommodation that features hotel and condo and different activities. Ayan. So nandito kami sa pinaka-front, sa pinaka-entrance niya. Nag-park na muna kami kanina because once you get inside, you have to register first. So 1,500 ang entrance niya. That's on top of the accommodation fee na babayaran nyo for either the condo or for the hotel accommodation. So tara, lakad tayo. Pakita namin sa inyo kung saan mag-register. So, ito yung entrance ng property ng Pico del Oro. So, on the right side is yung guest registration area. So, if you are just a guest, di ba? Rented an accommodation, park muna kayo dito sa right, wag muna kayong didiretso. And then, just go inside that office to register. Andiyan kayo magbabayad ng 1,500. And right now, it's 1,700 since it's peak season. So, naka-register na kami. Let's go. At papasok na. Let's go. Pupunta na tayo sa accommodation natin. Kaya nga pala siya tinawag na Pico del Oro ay dahil dyan sa peak ng mountain na yan that looks like a parrot's beak. So, Pico means beak and then Loro is parrot.
So eto, pasukin naman natin ang nilandahan namin na condo dito sa loob ng Pico del Oro. So ayan, actually pagpasok mo ng condo mismo, merong maliit na hallway and may malaking salamin doon. So hindi na namin pinakita. Ayan, actually this is my first time na makita tong room nung sister ni Coco. Dito sila kasi buo silang family dito, yung mag-asawa and yung anak nila. So dito sila. And may attached na bathroom din dito. Siyempre, mas convenient kasi may kasamang bata eh. So, ayun no. O, sino naman yung hunk doon? Hi! So, ayan. Ito naman yung kitchen. May ref. Tapos, kompleto na rin ang mga gamit dito na panluto and for pagkain. So, ayan. Nagmamadali akong magluto ng sinigang na salmon belly kasi padating na nga yung sister ni Coco. So, ito naman yung room ni na mama at saka nung ate ni Coco and yung son niya. Siyempre, itong salas, dito kami ni Coco. Kasi siyempre, Netflix is life, 'di ba? So, walang tulugan yan. Pero sa totoo lang, kami yung naunang natulog. So, dito naman, paglabas namin, yung terrace, ito yung favorite part ko ng condo kasi syempre overlooking yung magandang paligid. Makikita mo dyan yung pond. Hindi lang halata kasi gabi na eh. So ayan, dito kami tumatambay ni na ate, yung sister ni Kuko, pag nagkikwentuhan kami, ayan, overlooking yung pond dyan. Ayan. Maganda din naman siya sa gabi. Mas maganda siya actually sa actual pag nakita nyo, yung hindi naka-video. Ayun. Tapos, pasukin ulit natin yung salas. Ayan. So, eto siya. May dining table. Ayan. Dito, yung mga gamit namin, nandyan pa. Tapos, ayan, si mama nga pala, sabi niya sa akin, 10,000 worth of food daw yung pinamili niya, pinag-grocery niya. Kasi mas makakatipid talaga dito pag magluluto kayo.
So mga kalakwatsa, dito nga kami sa Pico de Loro and it's 9 o'clock in the evening. So alam mo naman si Love, no time wasted yan. So nagpahinga lang kami ng onte and we're here sa activity area. So if you are looking at the screen, these are their locker areas. Nandito kami sa gilid ng pool. So dito, some of their amenities are, so this is the sports and recreation area. Ikutin natin. Um, so they have a whole basketball court available for reservation. Kung gusto nyo magpa-reserve para magamit. Tapos may pickleball area rin. Ito siya, oh. Dami naglalaro. Ang usong-uso yung pickleball ngayon. Tapos this is the registration area if you want to avail of their facilities. Ayan, may mga siguro nag-avail ng mga reservations nila. And they also have a badminton court. Yan, tatlo yan, oh. Ikot pa tayo. Sa pang silip. And eto, mayroon silang game room. Pero I believe it's already closed. Yan. Palabas na tayo dito. And we're gonna check out their pool area. So yung swimming naman, it's already covered dun sa 1,700 na babayaran yung entrance. And then free na rin yung use of the locker room. Now, it's much better if you bring your towels kasi for towel rentals, it's gonna be 100 pesos. Ito yung pool area nila. Paikot pa yan. Ikutin pa natin yung other side. I think this is the kiddie pool. Tapos they also have a restaurant on that side. And ito na banda sa ano na to eh, country club. Sa Pico de Loro Country Club. Ito yung other side ng pool. Hanapin natin sila. Or siguro nag-ano pa yon, nagbibihis pa sa locker room. And of course, they strictly implement proper swimwear attire or proper swimwear. Hindi pwede yung mga naka-ordinary shorts lang, naka-t-shirt. Hintayin na lang natin si Love. Mamaya, makikita na natin yung nagsiswimming.
Hi mga kalakwatsa! So andito ako ngayon sa pool area ng Pico del Oro. Siyempre sinusulit ko yung stay namin dito and ayan, hindi nga kasi ako pwedeng magpa-item kasi may project ako na padating soon. So ayun, gabi na lang ako nakakapag-swim. Ang masasabi ko dito, nakakatuwa kasi alam mo so far sa lahat ng pool na pinuntahan namin, na pinag-swimmingan namin na Love, sa lahat ng vlogs namin, ito yung pinaka na-enjoy ko. Heated yung pool, as in comfortable ka talaga mag-swim. Nakaka-enjoy.
Yan, isa pa nga pala sa mga amenities nila dito sa bandang left side of the pool area is their tennis court. Ayan, so kahit gabi, pinapayagan nila na may maglaro as long as you have a reservation. And everything, of course, can be arranged sa front desk nila. Yun lang, hindi nga yan kasama. It's gonna be a separate charge if you want to play. Tapos ikot pa tayo. Yun. Dito sa likod ng tennis court, there is another pool area. It's another kiddie pool. Ito. But since it's already nighttime and there's no lifeguard available in this area, siguro kaya wala nang nagsiswim. They're not allowing kids to use this pool, of course, for safety purposes. So dito pa rin tayo sa country club area ng Pico del Oro. So ito yung restaurant area nila. It's called Pico Restaurant. Yan, oh. Yan, ikutin natin siya. So the restaurant offers al fresco and at the same time indoor dining. Yan. Ito na, balik na tayo sa pool area. Nakita na natin dalawang restaurants na magkakatabi. Siguro for the prices of their food, you just need to check out their website. Malamang nandun naman yung menu yun. Ito na, malapit na ulit tayo sa pool. Mga kalakwatsa, it's almost 10 o'clock in the evening and I'm just waiting for Love to wind up with her night swimming. They only allow night swimming up until 10 p.m. So we're gonna go back to our place, we'll have our rest, and we're gonna start early tomorrow. So bukas na lang ulit tayo magkita-kita mga kalakwatsa. See ya!
Good morning. Good morning. Masha. So it's a Black Saturday today and of course, Lavi's birthday.
Ayun, so it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Naglagay na rin kami ng aming sunblock. And pasyal na tayo dito sa Pico de Loro. Let's go!
Let's go.
So nandito kami ni Love sa jogging trail ng Pico de Loro. So it's just across the lake. Ayan no. Ito niyo sa likod namin. Paikot yan. So basically, the setup of this place is it's an assortment of condos na iba-iba yung may-ari, of course. And then they have it rented out or sometimes they keep it to themselves. So the units are available via Airbnb. So magkakaiba ng mga presyo yan. It depends on the type of unit that you can rent out, either a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, or a 1-bedroom unit. And this place also offers a club membership na pag hindi naman kayo unit owner and nag-rent out kayo, you can avail of their day pass or their entrance fee. Yun nga yung binayaran namin nila kahapon na 1.7 on top of the rental ng place. So pagdating nyo dito, marami silang ino-offer na activities. Covered na nga pala nung 1,007 yung beach and yung swimming pool access. Tapos nakita nyo naman kagabi, di ba, pinakita namin yung sports facilities. Now, they also offer water activities dito, like jet ski, kayak, kung ano man yung mga wakeboard, and paddleboarding. Yun. Yan, ikutin pa natin itong lugar. Tingnan natin kung ano pa makikita natin. To get around Pico de Loro, eto meron silang free shuttle service. Ngayon, pwede kayong mamili either itong open or pag masyadong maraming tao, available naman yung coaster. Yan yung nasa likod. Pero syempre, to get a scenic tour, mas pipiliin namin itong parang EV. Ayan, paikot kami. So eto yung mga condos around Maina, Jacana. Pag napapansin yung mga kalakwatsa, yung 4 main condos dito sa Pico de Loro are all named after birds. Ayan na. Yan pa yung iba mga condominiums na either personally owned or for rentals. So to get around this place, katulad ng pinakita namin kanina, they offer shuttle services na susunduin kayo dun sa mga condos na renentahan nyo. And then paikot lang naman yung kalsada. Now, when it comes to the parking, I believe if you're not a unit owner, across the street may mga parking sila. First come, first serve. Dahil Holy Week ngayon, punuan. So, ganyan, malayo yung binyahin namin para makapunta sa sasakyan. Medyo mahirap-hirap yung parking if the place is packed.
So ayun na nga mga kalakwatsa, andito na kami sa beach area ng Pico de Loro. At kung makikita nyo, honest review, maganda yung beach nila. Ayan. So makikita nyo sa may kaliwa ko, andun yung mga water activities. May banana boat, jet ski, kayak, and so on. So ifa-flash na lang namin later yung prices nila.
Mm-mm. So, ayan, bale ito, no doubt maganda yung beach nila. Pero dito sa left, makikita nyo dyan yung beach club. So, if you're a guest, medyo hiwala yung pwede yung pasukan. They're not gonna allow you to enter the beach club kasi pang ano na yun for
Yung mga members.
members and accompanied guests. Diba? Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit if you'll become a guest of the owner of one of their units, kung bakit hindi siya considered as accompanied guest. Well, anyway, kung ano man, take you dyan, leave it in the comments na lang, di ba? Ayan, so, eto, no doubt, ang beach nila ay maganda. Nakita niyo naman sa likod ko, and hindi natin maiwasan na hindi marami ang tao kasi of course, this is
Holy
the
Week.
Holy Week. Yan. Medyo ano muna kami ni Love eh. Takot pa muna kami maarawan kahit covered na kami ng sunblock. Lalo na siya hindi pwede
Hindi
mangitim.
pwede.
Oo, may restriction siya sa pagbabago ng kulay ngayon.
Kaya nga eh.
Siguro mamayang hapon kami
Swimming.
sa swimming. Let me take a footage of the entire beach para makita nyo.
Yep.
Mm-mm. On the beach itself, meron silang restaurant and bar for those who would like to dine in front of the beach. Yan, katabi siya ng Pico de Loro Beach Club. And since it is a Holy Week, meron din silang mga booth dito, mga tinda-tindahan kung saan pwede kang bumili ng either clothing or food or kung ano mang merchandise. Ayan nga, nakikita niyo si Love, patingin-tingin. Ayan o.
Such a dress.
Gawa sa
Alam mo kung ito yung
gawa sa-
nilalagyan ng
Arena.
arena. Ginawa nilang outfit. Ang galing. Oh, pati may may itet. Scrunchies. Natuwa.
So mga kalokwatsya, halos naikot na rin naman natin itong Pico de Loro, no? Nakita na natin yung beach at saka yung iba nilang amenities. Medyo ngiting-ngiti masyado yung araw eh. So, babalik muna kami sa place namin and then siguro pag palapit na yung hapon, that's the time that we will go to the beach.
Yes.
So good afternoon mga kalokwatsya, it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon and since it's a Black Saturday, dito sa Pico de Loro, meron din church which is St. Therese of the Child Jesus Chapel. Ayan, may dadaan na kotse. Wait lang, padaanin muna natin siya. Yan.
Bye.
So, daan muna kami dito. Mabilis lang. Ayan ang daan siya.
May konting
yes,
steps,
oo.
pero konti lang naman.
Located ito banda sa entrance. So yun, sasaglit na kami dito and then we'll go to the beach na. Andre, say hi.
Hey.
Love you.
Kala ko picture.
Eto kami galing sa beach. Hindi na kami tumuloy mag-swimming kasi their policy is the beach is divided. So may part doon na members only, and then may part doon na doon nagsisiksikan lahat. So nakita niyo naman ang daming tao. So we're just gonna go back to our place, and then I think we'll just enjoy the pool area. Yun na lang gagawin namin to cap off the day. Sige, punta na kami swimming pool.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hello.
Hello, good morning mga kalakwatsa.
Early morning.
Yes, so this is our third day here sa Pico de Loro, and it is 4 o'clock in the morning. Well,
Yes.
maaga naman kami. We
Mm-mm.
are always early risers since we're
Mm-mm.
accustomed to the BPO lifestyle. And we're already packed and
Mm-mm.
we're going home. So our Pico de Loro trip is almost over.
Mm-mm.
So let's have an honest review of
Mm-mm.
this place. Sige. Is it nice? Maganda ba siya? Definitely. Diba, love?
Mm-mm.
Ang ganda ng ano niya.
Maganda siya.
Yes.
Mm-mm. Ito, hindi to pang-i-etches ha. Sinasabi ko talaga yung honest, review ko dito, love. Honest feedback ko. Maganda yung place, as in. Tapos, ang nakakatuwa pa dito, love, is,
Mababait yung mga tao.
oo, yung mga
Yes.
staff. At saka,
Staff is really accommodating.
oo, nag-extend
welcoming.
talaga sila ng effort para sa'yo. Like, for example, kasi malalayo yung mga facility dito eh. Like, for example, yung clubhouse, malayo siya dun sa beach, ganyan. So, ang ginagawa namin, pag naglalakad kami, kasi nga, di ba, syempre, Holy Week. So, puno na yung parking dito sa sa area namin. So, dun kami na park sa water treatment, di ba?
Kasi malayo.
Oo.
Malayo ang
So, ang
parking.
ginagawa namin ni Love, naglalakad kami. Then, itong mga shuttle na to, kasi mga shuttle sila, tsaka buses, pag nakikita nila may naglalakad ng tao, kinukot nila yung attention namin. Nakakatuwa lang. Alam mo yung nag-extend sila. Hindi naman sa Love, 'di ba? Sa ibang resort, parang basta lang masabi na nag-work sila, ganyan. Sila talagang mapabait at nag-extend talaga sila ng effort to help us. Ganyan.
What can I say about the place itself? Yun na nga, maganda siya. It's a world-class facility. You feel the exclusiveness. And isa mga palang tip, they operate in a cashless policy. So if
Ay,
you're gonna be
oo.
planning to stay here, make sure it's either loaded yung GCash nyo,
Mm-mm.
or you bring with you your debit card or credit cards. Kasi doon lang sa
Oo.
front, sa registration lang, that's the only time that they'll accept cash.
Oo.
All the transactions here inside is
Cashless. Which I find it unique, Love. Kasi di ba usually ang gusto nga nila, preferred nila yung cash lang, di ba? So-
I think purpose nun is to
Mm-mm.
check the identity of the
Okay,
guest
oo.
itself, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Ganun sila. Especially if if
Mm-mm.
you're gonna be availing of or makikita nila sa
Oo
pangalan
nga.
if you're a member or if you're not
Ay,
a member.
oo.
That's usually their policy, kaya sila
Oo.
ganun.
Speaking of that, Love, yung tungkol dun sa, pwede bang explain sa kanila yung tungkol sa pag-member ka dito or kung hindi ka? Like for example tayo, hindi tayo member pero kumuha tayo ng
Well, anyway,
Mm-mm.
I'll get to that na lang.
Oo.
Let's talk about the good points muna. Ayun. Siguro if you're also gonna be staying overnight,
Mm-mm.
better check with the owner kung maganda yung kwarto na makukuha
Oo.
nyo, or have it checked. Kasi sometimes you're gonna have problems. Tulad ng nakuha naming room, there's a little bit of piping problem, medyo nakaka-hassle, pero of course, those small things,
Mm-mm.
you will not allow your day to get ruined by those type of
Oo
incidents,
nga.
diba?
Kailangan, pag may nakausap kayo dito, kailangan i-check nyo muna kung talagang, ate, kasi caretaker usually yung makukontakt nyo dito eh. Wala bang problema yung ganto, yung lababo, yung CR, ganyan. I-check nyo mabuti kasi sayang naman yung oras, 'di ba? Kasi, syempre, kailangan mong, dahil ang medyo mahal, medyo pricey yung
Yes.
food.
Pricey yung,
So, kailangan mo magluto.
no joke, pricey
Mm-mm.
lahat dito.
I see siya. As
Yes,
in,
even the
900.
water activities, even the food.
oo, 900 isang
Isa pang tip,
kain.
you can always go outside kasi syempre
Mm-mm.
you're living, not unless you are staying in Eco Sands,
Oo.
which is the hotel inside.
Mm-mm.
All the facilities here or all the um, rooms here are operating in like a staycation policy. So you can
Mm-mm.
bring your food, you can cook,
Oo.
or if you want, you can just buy outside if you want
Oo.
to save a little, di ba?
Yes. Yun naman ang maganda dito. Gusto ko
Oo.
naman yung part na yun,
And of
love.
course, since Batangas to, no kidding, masarap lahat ng pagkain.
Oo, syempre alam ko yan. Batanggenya ako eh. Tsaka generous sila sa food. Diba? Pansin mo?
Yes.
Oo. Kasi umorder kami. Kasi may nearest store dito. Actually, diba, syempre, it's Lavi's birthday yesterday. So, umorder kami ng food. Yung good for one nila, ay, parang good for one family eh, diba? Generous sila dito pagdating sa pagkain. At masarap.
Yes.
Ayan.
So,
Mm-mm.
kami, ako personally, being a beach person,
Mm-mm.
diba? Yun lang, let's go to the negative points na.
Oo.
So,
Honest feedback lang para
honest
din,
feedback lang. So,
alam mo yun. Disclaimer lang guys
how's
ha.
the beach?
No hate to.
Develop. It's nice. Though it's jellyfish season,
Mm-mm.
maganda siya. Pero, yung management or yung policy nila when it comes to accessing the beach itself,
Mm-mm.
di ba? Kanina, as you've seen in the footages earlier, hati yung beach. So there is a membership side and there is for the non-members.
Mm-mm.
What I find weird is, di ba, if you're gonna ask for a day tour lang, yung mga, we're just gonna have people pay for quick access,
Mm-mm.
siguro okay yun eh. Pero if you're gonna have somebody that's gonna check in and spend money that they want you to spend in this place,
Mm-mm.
di ba, siguro naman it's better if you give them full access to the amenities.
Ayun.
But that's my 2 cents. Ngayon, it's only my opinion.
Opinion lang naman.
Business is
Disclaimer
business.
guys
Kung may
ha.
iba
No hate.
kayong naiisip, you just
Oo.
put it in the comments, bad or good.
Oo.
Basta ito lang sa akin. Kasi, like Kamaya Coast,
Mm-mm.
Misibis, well, if you're a guest, full. Diba?
Mm-mm.
You'll get the full privilege. Pero dito, medyo...
Para tayong nag-day tour.
Oo, medyo off eh. Diba? Mahal na yung binayad mo sa room. Pagdating sa amenities, limited pa yung mga gagawin
Oo.
mo. And then parang...
Lahat ng gagawin may
Oo.
bayad.
Hindi lang.
Oo.
Parang hiwalay pa. O dito kayo.
Oo.
O dito yung mga members. Diba? If you're gonna open your facility to the public, diba? Open it up for people
Oo.
that are willing or that can shoulder
Mm-mm.
the amount that you would like them to pay. Diba? Or else, feel like, a manpulo. Go for the exclusivity na. Diba? And close it out para sa mga members na lang talaga.
Mm-mm.
Sabi ko nga, opinion ko po lang yun.
Oo.
I'm not saying I'm correct. I'm not saying I'm wrong.
Oo.
Opinion lang.
Guys,
Honest review lang.
Oo, tsaka ito ay galing lang sa amin na hindi namin nilalagay
Yes.
sa Bud Light ang Pico de Loro. In fairness, napakagandang hotel nito guys. And recommended ko to sa mga tao na okay sa kanila yung policy na yon. Kasi sa amin, kumbaga parang hindi masyadong okay yung policy. Pero, sa iba na okay naman sa kanila yung ganung way, then highly recommended.
And siguro they should
for them.
develop
Mm-mm.
better or bigger parking slots para,
Oo.
of course, for the preparation ngayong wala. Tulad nito, Holy Week.
Mm.
Pero siguro lang, Lava, if you're gonna come here na hindi peak season, hindi Holy Week,
Oo.
tapos onti lang yung tao, I think you'll really find it nice.
Mm-mm.
Siguro, hindi lang tayo sanay sa ganitong setup.
Oo. Kasi sa dami na rin ng mga napuntahan namin.
Oo.
Siyempre, hindi namin maiiwasang ma-compare,
Oo.
di ba?
And then, ang dami rin kasing tao ngayon.
Oo.
Of course, most probably, not only because
Kasi
it's the
Holy Week.
Kasi ang taas ng gas prices, ang mga
Yun
tao, they're going for the nearest resorts na lang, nearest to
Oo.
Metro Manila para
Mhm.
medyo mag-save.
Oo,
diba?
mag-save na lang.
Ayun lang. Actually, yun lang ang ko. Pero if you're gonna ask me, is this place nice? Is this place beautiful? Is this place worth visiting?
Mm.
Yes.
It is.
Mm-mm.
Depende yan kasi guys ha. Depende yan sa inyo. Depende sa preference nyo. It's just that this is just our
Yes.
opinion. No hate. Disclaimer guys ha. Nasa ano nyo to.
kumbaga, at least you'll get to experience
Oo.
what Pico de Loro is.
Oo.
Right? And then, ito na. If you're gonna ask me if we're gonna come back. I think there are better resorts to spend our money on, di ba, love? But anyway, this is a nice experience. Pico de Loro is nice. The people here are nice.
Oo,
May
yung mga staff, mababait
hints lang sa
sila.
policy na nakaka-off. Pero yun nga. And hindi kami umaalis na maaga dahil ayaw namin, ha. Aalis kami na maaga because it's Easter Sunday.
Yes.
May pasok na bukas. Imagine kung gaano karaming tao ang
Oo.
magsasabay-sabay umuwi at
True.
bumalik. So it's much better to be
Go
one step
early
ahead.
na.
Yun.
Yan.
So this is it. We're gonna wrap our vlog. Maigsi lang siya. At least we get to show you what Pico de Loro or how Pico de Loro is. If you guys like this type of videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Lalo na based on our analytics,
Oo.
most of our viewers are unsubscribed. So pindutin nyo naman yan.
Subscribe kayo,
Yes, this will
please.
really help boost the channel.
Oo.
So ikaw, love, any
Feedback.
last words or last
Ayun
thoughts?
lang, thank you lang guys. Thank you sa mga subscribers
yes.
at saka sa mga viewers namin. We really appreciate po yung bawat views nyo. Ayan. Thank you.
So until our next vlog, I think next time north naman tayo, love.
Oh,
no?
sige, let's go.
Oh, north
Oo,
naman.
samahan
Bahala
nyo
na.
kami ha,
Malalaman nyo
palagi.
naman kung saan. See ya! Bye-bye! Thank you mga
Thank
kalakwacha!
you.
You want this footage too a bit?